Here's a quick look at the Microspeak Plus recorder from the AT guys. Let's do it. Hi everyone, welcome to Carrie on Accessibility, where we talk about technology and accessibility. Today I have the Microspeak Plus from the AT guys. This is an accessible recorder. It's very simple, easy to use, and I think this is great for seniors and even kids and people who just want a simple little recorder they can take around with them. A big thank you to the AT guys for letting me borrow this recorder and for giving me one of these recorders to give away to one of you guys. So stick to the end so you can find out how you can win one of these. When you take it out of the box, it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable, and it has an instruction manual, and it also does have a wall adapter. And then we have the recorder itself. The recorder is mostly yellow and has a speaker at the top, and that is black. Right under that, it has a red record button. It's nice and tactile. You can feel a little circle on it. Then it has a display right below that. I'm not really sure what it says because it's too small for me to see, but it does have a backlight. Below that, there are 3 buttons. On the left is the previous, it's a triangle pointing to the left. In the middle is the pause and play button, that's a square. And then to the right of that is a next button, and that is a triangle pointing to the right. On the right edge, we have a volume up, volume down, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right edge, we have a micro SD card slot. According to the website, you can record up to 15 hours with the included 1 gig micro SD card, but you can also use up to a 32 GB micro SD card. On the bottom edge is a slide switch to turn it on and off, and to the right of that is a USB-C port for charging and transferring. The buttons are very tactile, high contrast, and very clicky as well. But let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to move that switch to the left.
Ready, battery high.
There's an announcement so you know that it's on. It is a little loud, so I did try to turn it down.
Ready, battery high.
But it looks like the volume doesn't control the volume of the announcements. Hello, this is a test. I press the record button and it looks like I have to wait for it to beep before it starts recording. And then I can press it again. It will beep a different pattern to let me know that the recording stopped. Now I'm going to press play.
Hello, this is a test.
Hello, and thank you for purchasing Microspeak, the new digital voice recorder from TID. Please read the enclosed user guide carefully. Playback pause.
It has directions that's pre-downloaded onto the recorder, and the volume can be pretty loud. If you press volume down a bunch, it will mute, and the lowest volume is still kind of loud. It looks like it will go to the next track once it's finished playing the track you're on, and you can press the previous and next to go to the previous and next tracks. It records in MP3. And here's a sample recording. Hello, this is a test. How do I sound on the Microspeak recorder? There you have it. That is the Microspeak Plus recorder. I think, like I mentioned before, this is great for kids, seniors, people that need a speaker on their recorder, and this can go really pretty loud, so I think that is definitely a plus. If you're interested in purchasing it, you can find it on the AT guys website. I'll also link that in the description, and it is $69.95 US. If you'd like to enter into the giveaway, just leave a comment and make sure to include the word record somewhere in your comment, and in a later video I'll use a random comment generator and let you know who won the contest. Because of shipping, this giveaway is going to be limited to the United States. I'm sorry. That's it for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the different videos that I post. And if you'd like to support the channel and what I do, consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. There are exclusive videos and we have a meetup every month. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.